the hiccups.
Okay. Gosh. Okay.
I got the hiccups.
I always cough when I have hiccups, like, cause I try to get it out, so I'm like.
Oh, I got like the hiccups and burp.